The question is, find all zeros of the polynomial 2x raised to power 4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1 if two of its zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Now let us assume that Tx is equal to 2x raised to power 4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 1. 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are zeros of Px, which is given to us. Therefore, Px is equal to x minus 2 minus root 3 into x minus 2 plus root 3 into gx. On multiplying these two, we get x square minus 4x plus 1 into gx. On dividing this by px, we get 2x square minus x minus 1. Therefore, gx is equal to 2x square minus x minus 1. Factorizing this, we get 2x plus 1 into x minus 1. Therefore, other zeros are x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Therefore, all zeros are 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, minus 1 upon 2 and 1.